What's the meaning of British American tobacco? British American tobacco. British American tobacco.
British American tobacco. British American tobacco. British American Tobacco, BAT, is a British multinational tobacco company headquartered in London, UK. The company operates in over 180 countries and produces a range of tobacco products, including cigarettes, cigars, and smokeless tobacco. BAT is one of the world's largest tobacco companies, with a significant market share in Asia, Europe, Africa, and the Americas. While BAT continues to face criticism for its role in the global tobacco industry, the company has taken steps to diversify its portfolio and invest in alternative nicotine products and technology. Despite ongoing challenges, BAT remains a major player in the global tobacco industry and continues to grow and expand its reach through strategic partnerships and acquisitions.